Hey dolls, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. So today is my first edition of Hump Day Haul. I'm super excited about this idea that I came up with. It was super random, like yesterday or a couple of days ago. Maybe I dreamt about it, I have no idea, but I have been trying to figure out and wrap my brain around where to fit my hauls in. I have been having so much fun doing DIYs and creating new pieces and challenging myself creatively to bring some inspiration to you all, and my hauls and other fun things, as I say in my intros, have just kind of went away. So I wanted to bring that back, and I thought what perfect way to do it and designate a day for me to do my hauls, which are going to be Wednesdays now. I call it Hump Day. I'm sure a lot of people do. I know that the younger kids, like the Gen Zers, say that that's lame now. I don't really care. I'm still going to call Wednesday Hump Day. I can't believe I just did that. So if you have seen my last haul video where I did a haul showdown, it was around Valentine's Day and I compared Dollar Tree and Dollar General items to see what was best for the dollar and what kind of items they had. Basically just comparing and contrasting and see which one I like better in the different categories that I did give. Now I do plan on continuing with that. It's not going to be as regular as like this haul Wednesdays, my Hump Day haul, because I just kind of want to do the larger holidays, like with the ones they have more seasonal items. So the next one will probably be in the summer for their summer items, and then like fall, Christmas, things of that nature. So it'll be like that. But my Hump Day haul will be every Wednesday. I'm super excited about it. So with these hauls, it won't be the same store consecutively. I'll go to many different stores: Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Target, Walmart, Big Lots, Hobby Lobby, not Michael's, because they are, your girl is not a millionaire. So today I am sharing with you some Target items that I got from their Target Dollar Spot section or Bullseye Playground section, whatever you want to call it. I wasn't aware that we changed it, and I don't know if it's supposed to be changed. I don't know. But yeah, their Bullseye Playground area. So let's go ahead and jump right into the things that I found. All right, so the first things I am going to be sharing are planters. Now, I got a lot of these planters from Target. So they're like terracotta planters. So these are the two versions that they have. This one is like peach and pink, and then it says enjoy the little things. And then the one on the bottom is like a mustard yellow and white, and it says you feel like sunshine. I thought these were super adorable, so cute, and you could do so much with them. For the ones that are plain, you don't have to leave them that color. They're just really fun to put greenery in, or just, you know, stage them around your house. I thought that was really cute, and these were $3 each. And then the next planter I picked up is this just plain white planter. It's like smooth, so it's, I don't know if it's like terracotta because it's smooth, because it's not that color. Anyways, it's $5. Thought it was really cute to put like on an entryway table or at the bottom of like a shelf or something like that. I don't know, it's just really, really cute, and I really like the color of it, and I like that you can do so much with this, like in regards to like maybe stenciling design, or if you have a Cricut, put a Cricut design over it. I love the options for that. And then the next planter that I picked up was these two. These were $3. These cute little elephants. How adorable are these little guys, right? And they're planters, so you put flowers or greenery in them. I envision putting greenery in them. I also envision like doing like some striped like colors around it. I don't know, I think these are super fun and would be really cute DIYs just to elevate these. Also got these bud vases. They were only $3, so that's kind of a steal if you ask me, because $3 is 3 of them, so it's $1 per one. Same price you would pay at like a Dollar Tree. But at Dollar Tree, I don't know, they don't look as nice as these. They're glass, so you have to paint them. They usually come with like a little, like, what are those called? Like a little are those things called? A succulent inside of it already, but I like that these are plain like this and have that terracotta like ceramic finish. That's what I'm going for. That's the word I'm looking for, ceramic, not terracotta. But yeah, so those were cute. And then I picked up this can, and I can't talk today. And then I picked up this candle, super, super cute. It kind of reminds me of like a, not a snow cone, but an ice cream cone like design, but it's really pretty. I love this color. It says that the scent is fresh linen, and it definitely smells like that. This is actually just going in my craft room. I'm not storing this around my house. I just need more candles in my craft room when I do craft and when I work and when I work out, just to get all of them. So yeah, the other things that they did have in regards to planters is this DIY planter. Now, a few things that I will be showing you are all DIY related, and I think that Target is stepping up their game for crafters for their dollar spot or bullseye section, because like I haven't seen them come out with so much stuff for crafters and DIYers in like forever, like since I've been shopping at Target, since I've been paying attention to their dollar spot area. Anyways, this planter was $3, and if you can see the image right there, it comes with like beads. I don't think it comes with the paint, but it comes with the beads and the wood beads, and it comes with the twine in there. And then they already have the pre-drilled holes right there for you. So yeah, I thought that that would be really fun to work with. I'm not really big on like hanging planters because I have no idea where to put them in my home. I really want to get like a decor ladder, or even make one, which is what I'm trying to get into woodworking with, to maybe hang it that way. But I feel it's just not my ministry to be hanging plants. I'm not a plant mom, so yeah, I'll figure out what to do with this, but I really like this, and yeah, I'm excited to do something with that. Then also in their DIY section, they have these little trays. So this one is a hexagon shape, and then this one is a circle, and these were both only $1. You could do so much with them. You can paint them if you want. I plan on probably using my Cricut and putting like something in there, like phrases in there. I think they're cute trinket trays for like your bathroom, or even like at your sink in the kitchen. My husband likes to take his ring off sometimes. I take my watch off when we like cooking or washing the dishes or something. So I think these would look really cute there. And those were only $1 as well. And then, oh, did I say that this was $3? This candle was $3. I think I forgot that. Next up in their DIY section, I've seen a couple of crafters use this, mainly Nicole over at the Week's Nest DIY. She used this, and I just had to go out. Literally, I went to Target to find what I saw her craft with this vase that she did, and it's these ones. So I think that these stencils, they don't have anymore because this was the only one. And look at the tag, it was $3, but it didn't have any, there's no like label on it or anything. So this was probably a return. It doesn't look like it was used, but I probably could have talked them down to like $1 for this. But anyways, I know that they've had one before with like florals on it, because I have that, but they didn't have this kind because I'm such a flowers person. But I loved that print that she had, so I had to get it, and I'm so glad that I found the last one. So yeah, and then the next thing I got were some paints. So they had these two colors. They're silver and gold. It's acrylic paint, and they're only $1. Pretty good. I mean, I like the color. I have not seen gold in acrylic paint. Maybe I'm just not looking in the right place, or the ones that I did get from like Walmart, who is it by? I don't know if it's folk art, but I think that I don't really like the color that much, so I wanted to try this and see. They also have black, but I have so much black paint, I didn't need to get another one, but it's only $1, so hey, the more the merrier, right? And then next, for more of their DIY stuff, they have these metallic and chalk markers. So the metallic markers are gold and silver as well, and then the chalk markers are just those white ones. Now, I wanted to try these, especially the chalk markers, because I've tried chalk markers from Dollar Tree, and I didn't really have good success with it. I know a few people do, but it just doesn't work out for me. It doesn't look right. Even the ones at Walmart that I've picked up didn't really do the thing. So, but these were $1 for each, and you get 2 in a pack, so that's a pretty good price. And then they also came out with their own foam brushes. I mean, they're sponge brushes, foam paint brushes, foam paint sponges, that's what they're called. They're $1, only 3 come in a pack, so it's not like Dollar Tree where you get like 10 that come in a pack. But I'm interested to see how they work out. I mean, oh, they're a lot thicker. Wow. Oh, they're a lot thicker than the ones at Dollar Tree, like a lot thicker. Like you can feel the density in them. So we'll see how that works out. So this next thing I'm really excited about. Might do a giveaway on it because they had so many there. I definitely could go back and get some more, but if you may need it or want it, I'm more than happy to do that. But they have these crafting tool sets. So 4 things come in a pack. You got your scraper, you have your scissors, your weeder, and your tweezers. So this is all fun, definitely fun for people that have cutting machines. And it's a nice alternative because I know Dollar Tree has things like this for your cutting machine. Now Target does for just $3. So you don't have to pay $1 for each thing. It's $3. And then one other thing that I'm just really interested in just trying out is what they call a peg rack. It was $5. Sorry, it's really loud. It was $5, and I mean, it doesn't come with like hardware to hang, so you definitely need your own like screws or whatnot. But you hang it on the back right here. And I think it hangs this way. Like this. Like this, yeah. So like it goes up. I've never had one of these. It more so, I mean, it says it's a peg rack, but obviously like you can hang a jacket or something on there or a purse. So I thought that was really cute and clever. For $5, I mean, you can get a couple of those and make like a long line, like maybe if you have like a mud room or next to your door in like the winter for like your jackets or whatnot. Who knows? You can do stuff with that. And then one of my favorite things that I found, because I have not been able to find a lot of these at Target Dollar Spot, are tiered trays, and not ones that are this big. And look at that. For $5, I got this tiered tray. It was the very last one. I have been loving tiered trays lately because I run out of space on where to put things, and I'm realizing that tier trays are the way to go. I have like 4 of them. I made all of them except for this one right here, but I made all the other ones that I do have. But I need to like go to like Hobby Lobby and just spend like the 20 or 30 bucks and get one. I mean, $20 isn't that much, but you know, sometimes I be thinking $20, I could do so much other stuff with that. But you know, tier tray it is. But I really like this tier tray. I think it's super, super cute. And you could do so much with this. You can leave it as is, or I like the enameled look, so I might just put some black paint around it just to get me a little bit better of enameled look. I think that would look so cute. And then last up, Target has brought back these things that I got last fall, and I'm so excited about it. They brought back these peel and stick vinyls. Funny story, I actually bought some of these during fall. Now, they are $3 per pack, but I guess because it was brand new to them, they didn't know, like the workers at my Target didn't know how to like separate them, or maybe somebody was just lazy. But I literally got 3 of these large ones and 3 of these smaller ones in one pack for $3. I wasn't so lucky today, but it's okay. Still got them. So I think they're really, really cute. For cutting machines, I can't wait to use them because although I love Cricut's vinyls and Silhouette and everywhere else, Oracle, I've gotten other people's besides Cricut's. I think it's so fun that Target has these different options that I wouldn't get from like Cricut because they're mad expensive, bro. Okay. So I think they're really cute. So you got this peach one. It's like gingham and buffalo check. This gray and like, it's like faded green and stripes. And like this brown one, I really love the chevron print. I just think they're really fun, so cute. And then I got these small ones where if you don't have a cutting machine, you can just peel these off and stick them onto your sign, or use contact paper, transfer tape if you have it. So this one has Hello Spring and Bloom, and I thought that that was really, really pretty, really cute. And then this one has Breathe In and Breathe Out, because your girl needs to do that sometimes. So that's what that one looks like. And like I said, each of them are $3 each. So fun. Loved it all. So happy about all of my purchases. All right, y'all, that's all I have for you today on my hump day haul. Really hope you guys did enjoy this. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below letting me know that you want me to continue doing this on your Wednesday night. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. So, I'm so excited. I can't hold it in. Yeah, so the boys are at home. No, they're not at home. They're at school. And they love being there. Isaiah literally runs into the daycare now. He used to run back out and cry and kick and scream, but he can't wait to go in. And then when I pick him up, he can't wait to get home. But there's like so much stuff I want to tell you. I have so many ideas running through my brain. I just can't contain it all. Just want to spill it all out. But I can't. Just wait, Amber. Just wait. Oh, I'm so impatient. I should have took all this out of the bags. Oh, I got more stuff on our fridge. Oh my goodness. Cucumber water. I'm trying to be great. All right, so the first things. So they have these two colors. I got silver and, oh Jesus, what? Okay. Okay. I should probably edit this. I actually did really good. I don't have to do a lot of editing. Oh, you guys like my hair? It's a new style. You know, Gen Zers be talking about our side parts. You know, because I'm a millennial, so they talk about our side parts. But I love me a side part. Look at all that. Look at that volume. But you know, the middle part can get it though. The middle part is good, is cool. This is a fresh wash though, honey. Them fresh washes be making you feel like a new person. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me turn this off so I can edit this.